Hello everyone, we are Matteo and Sara from ELITechGroup, a Bruker Company, and we are at the booth of Integrated Gulf Biosystem, which is our current supplier in Saudi Arabia.
Today we present our sample-to-result instrumentation ELITBeGenius dedicated for molecular diagnostic, with more than 45 validated kits and more than 20 validated matrices offered to the laboratory the flexibility that the customer is looking for. With the collaboration with Integrated Gulf Biosystem, we aim to reach and to support our customer with sample-to-result automation, bringing in the laboratory the flexibility that our solution can have. We aim to reach with our technology sample-to-result automation the laboratory in Saudi Arabia.